How to activate fast charging on my cell phone. My phone charges very slowly. In this video tutorial, we'll explain how to activate fast charging on your cell phone. In some cases, many devices charge very slowly when connected to the charger, often taking 4, 5, or even 10 hours to fully charge. If this is your case, this video tutorial will explain step by step how to make your device charge faster. Before starting the recovery process to make your device charge faster, we need to try another charger. First, we have to try another original charger to see if the problem is with the charger itself. This is one of the first methods to determine if your device is charging quickly. If you try other chargers, then you'll do the following. To restart your device and allow it to perform the following recovery steps. The first thing I always recommend with these devices is to avoid having fast charging activated for an excessive amount of time. Bluetooth should also be turned off, as should the Wi-Fi network. We'll always use it when necessary. Power saving mode should also be disabled. If we use power saving, many apps run continuously in the background. When we turn on power saving, the opposite happens. Apps that run in the background download much faster. This also makes our phone run faster and overheat. So, to apply all of this, we recommend watching the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can follow our instructions exactly. Let's go over our Wi-Fi network and make sure it's fully connected. So that nothing else is activated here, this option must be activated. Well, we can do it if we can have it activated. Let's leave it activated. We're going to go to the next level, which would be here, the screen. As we can see here, it's always recommended to deactivate this because these devices are always working when it's activated. When we're in something very bright, the brightness will increase, it will decrease. When we're in something that isn't so bright, it will automatically increase. I always recommend having it at 50% deactivated so that the application doesn't run. But in this video tutorial, I'm going to increase it so you can appreciate everything better. That said, well, with that option deactivated, then we're going to go down. We're going to keep going down here. In these last options, we're going to find, let's see, I think it's around here. Here it is. Let us go down here. We're going to find here where it says, storage. Let's select storage here where we're going to find our battery, our storage, and our RAM. Let's see how's that RAM. Here we can delete all of this since these apps usually run automatically and are the ones that store this memory. As you can see here, we can see that we're deleting that data. If you have it at 2 GB, set it to the maximum. You might have it at 4 GB. And you can activate it at 8 GB, and so on. Let's keep scrolling down. Here we're going to do the following. In storage, we have it set up fine. Now we're going to go to battery. Here in battery, we're going to select this option. If you have it activated, it's better to deactivate it. You deactivate it here. You can enable this option so that those background apps aren't running. That said, what you're going to do is scroll down further and click here. Here you'll find the fast charging option for your phone. If it's deactivated, what you're going to do now is activate it. After all this is applied, what we're going to do now is restart our phone. We restart it so that these changes can take effect.